my name is Sammy Cordova from Gallina Patrol 4563, and our best practice is cutting edge dolly. We came up with this idea of building this cutting edge dolly because we have to be constantly replacing plow blades on the plows, and it could really easily be changed out by one man or one person, and it makes it easier to take them off and put them on. And in the past we've had to carry them, and they're usually 90 pounds each, and right now we're using two blades, which makes it 180 pounds, and they're really difficult to mount up to the plow. To hold them, it's a hazard. We could mess up our backs or drop one on our feet and smash our toes. And so this dolly has made it easier for us to change out the plow blades. This best practice is better because it saves time, it saves money, and it's a lot quicker, more efficient to change out blades. It's safer for the guys that are changing the blades out. They don't have to worry about getting their fingers smashed or getting their toes smashed or knocking out their backs. We're really happy with this cutting edge dolly, and I know that a lot of you guys out there are plowing snow, and if you'd like more information on it, give us a call there in Gallina, and we'll be happy to share our ideas with you. I want to thank my guys in Gallina. I had came up with this idea for a while now, but never really could figure out a way to make it come together. So the guys and I came together and we came up with this plan, and it works really great. And I want to thank them for all their help and ideas. And I also want to thank everybody else for picking this best practice. Works pretty good, and I want to thank everybody. Thank you.